So today you're going to be learning what the converse is. So if you have a statement like this, like a hypothesis, kind of like you do in science, an if-then statement, then the converse is it backwards. So something that would be, an example of that would be, I went to the store and I got milk. And then the converse would be, I got milk, then I must have went to the store. So, taking a look down here at this first one, it has the converse here. It says, write the converse of the statement. Determine whether the converse is true or false. So you need to tell whether this is true or false. I have not written that here. If it is true, justify your reasoning. If it is false, give a counter example. So this first one right here is, if A equals B, then A squared equals B squared. So I wrote it backwards. If A squared equals B squared, then A equals B. All I did was take the last part and list it first, and the first part and list it last. You need to decide and find if there is a counterexample or if it's true or false. You'll be doing that on the other ones. On the next page, something that might help you get started right here is, what does the Pythagorean theorem tell you about triangle JKL? Well, A squared plus B squared equals X squared. That might help you get started on that. If you're drawing on this one and trying to find the distance between 2 points, here's 2 points that I picked. I just picked a random 2 points. You can find the distance between them, and you just use the Pythagorean theorem. 4 squared plus 3 squared to find out what that missing side length is, the hypotenuse. On the back side, on page 164, when you get to this part right here where there's just coordinate points, plot them on a graph paper. I've got graph paper up front here. Get that, or ask the sub, and just plot them, and draw your diagonal, make a right triangle, and then you should be able to solve that. Hope you guys are doing alright. Be good for the sub. I'll see you soon, I hope. Over now.